Why does it keep turning over this way to me? Hello my lovely flowers, it's me Nia with Xquisite Floral Design and Events, and today we are going to be creating a lovely floral spray for a funeral. With this floral spray, we're going to be using two colors, white and red. We're going to be using white snapdragons, white spider mums. We're going to be using red spray roses, or burgundy spray roses rather. We're going to also be using a little bit of what is it called, statice. Is it statice or Misty blue? I gotta remember the name. And then we're going to use fern and a variegated plumosa, but it's a different type, and I'll list the actual names in the description. So what we're going to do is we're going to take two of these lovely floral bricks, as you can see here, and I am going to go ahead and cut them. They are dry right now, but I want to cut to see what size I need. So I'm going to cut and see. I think I'm going to stick one in directly. Then I think I'm going to go one directly across. Let's see. Yeah, I think I'm going to do one directly across like this. And then that is going, now we're going to go soak these in water. I'll be right back. Okay, my lovely flowers. Let's see. So I got water in here. I want to secure this a little bit better. I have this clear, and I can never find the starting point. Don't you guys hate that? Oh my goodness. Okay, let me go see if I can find something else, because I truly cannot find the starting point. Oh, that is so crazy. Wow. See, I think I found something. Okay, I thought I found something. This, I hate this stuff. It costs so much. It's by osmosis, and it does not work as well as that other one, the one that I usually use for my grids, but I don't have any of that right now. I need to go downtown and stock up on a bunch of stuff. So anyway, we finally got it. I'm just gonna go ahead, put that right there. Then I'm gonna go on the other side, put that right there. Then to secure it better, I'm just gonna go around it. Let's go around 2 times. Okay, so we got that right there. Now, for a arrangement like this, what I start with is my green, or the one that's going to make the shape of this, and I want to do high on the back and low. Let's go out a little bit on this one. Hold on, you guys. I hope you guys can see pretty good. You can see all my junk over here, but anyway, here we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this, and I want it to be, so I'm gonna cut right here. I want this to kind of spray in the back, so I'm gonna have high in the back and low in the front. Somewhat like that, as you guys can see, right? I'm gonna bring it in some. Let's see. The same way, the same right here. Didn't realize it was going to be this high, so I'm going to move this camera right here behind me so you guys can see a little bit better. All right, I gotta work with angles with this stuff. Okay, so then I'm going to go ahead and put one right here. Yes. Now let's go ahead and put one right there, and I'm going to take a little bit this. Kind of fill in my holes. I'm going to come back through to make it thicker in certain areas, but for right now, this is my base, right? I think I kind of want another one. Perfect. I think I love it. I'm going to go ahead and kind of cover the back. So usually when I cover the back, I just kind of go in as such. Just want to cover my mechanics. So my mechanic covering would be like the foam, the tape, anything like that, where if it just happened to, you know, somebody see from the sides, you can't really see much, right? Okay, so excuse me, that is what we got going on here. I want to bring this one in a little bit more. I feel like it's too. Okay, perfect. We got that look going on. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to take our snaps. We're going to take our snapdragon, and we are going to make our shape, show our shape more defined. We want to define our shape a little bit more with this. So what, I'm going to keep 2 for another arrangement. No, I'm going to keep 4 for another arrangement. No, I'm not keeping none for another arrangement. I'm lying. Okay, so I take like a long one. I kind of scrape that off, and then I'm going to just put it into the foam just at a little higher angle, and then I'm going to take this, scrape off, and I'm going to stick this one right here on that side. Then again, let's see, right here. Then again, I want out. Side out. Then I think, so that is a shape that we have. Then I'm going to bring this one in a little bit, but I'm going to put it, let's see, right there. Right here. There, and one right there. Perfect. So we have our beautiful shape that we're going to go for, and now I'm going to take my focal flowers, which are the Fujimans. And we're going to put their focal flowers more in the spots that we see that are hollowy, or the hollow spots. And so that's basically everywhere else. And since these, we want to kind of push them in, face them in kind of forward so that they show themselves. Gotta look at it my way. So I need something right here. Let's look at it again. I need something right here. Okay, so we have that shape going on. Now we're going to come back in with our spray roses. And we're just going to stick the roses in. And then we're also, I don't like the color combination of this. I feel like it's too romantic looking. I know that sounds crazy, but yes. So what I am going to do, I have a few yellow roses. I'm going to add in, his favorite colors were orange and burgundy or something. I mean, burgundy and yellow. So I'm going to go ahead and add in okay, so let me go and grab that real quick. You know what, forget that. I have some carnation, I mean some sunflowers. Let's put those in there. I just got to put the 3 that I have in there. So let's put those. Where would these go? Great. Let's see. One right here. Let's put like another one way up here. And then put the third one. Let's put the third one up here. Let's see, do we like that? Or should we just go with our roses? I think we're gonna go with our roses. Scratch that. If I had like 2 more, I would have went for it. So let's just go ahead with these. These are so one, two, three. Let's see, get a better spot. 3, 4, and I think I put it right here. Why does it keep turning over this way to me? Ooh, I can't even get it in, you guys. All right, I'm gonna put in a few more things to kind of give it a look. Let's put some of this statice in here. Is it statice or Misty? I can't remember the name. I can't think right now. Let's see, do I like this? Nope, I don't like that. How about ever be buying stuff and then you don't like what it looks like afterwards? Ugh, that's what I feel right now. Okay, now let's go with a little bit of this, and then I'm done. Alright, you guys, there it goes, our lovely arrangement. As you can see here, hopefully it looks better once it gets to our location. But there is our, our floral arrangement. Alright, you guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. I think because it's so dark, it's hard to see. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.